Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You just spent 50,000 euros on an electroluminescence inspection campaign. You have 10,000 EL images. Now what? Most asset managers stop here and waste the entire investment. Electroluminescence imaging is the gold standard for detecting invisible defects. It detects micro cracks, cell failures, PID, and solder bond issues, but EL campaigns generate massive data with no built-in decision framework. You end up with a hard drive full of images and a summary report with defect counts. There's no prioritization to show which defects cost money now or which can wait. There's no action plan for what to fix first. Result, the EL campaign becomes a compliance checkbox, not a decision tool. An EL campaign is a hammer without knowing where the nails are. You need to transform EL data into financial intelligence. Step one is AI-driven defect classification instead of manual review. Our AI classifies micro cracks by type, location, and severity. It distinguishes partial versus full cell failures and clustered versus isolated events. It quantifies PID severity by percent cell area affected. It detects solder bond defects, bus bar issues, and hotspot precursors. Processing time can be 10,000 images in 45 minutes. Step two is Euro impact modeling for each defect. AI calculates current power loss, degradation, acceleration failure risk, and repair cost versus lifetime loss. Example module data shows current loss, projected 5-year loss repair cost, and recommended action. ClearSpot AI turns your EL campaign into a prioritized work order system. Tier 1 is emergency action for defects with high failure risk or safety hazards. Tier 2 is high return repairs where repair cost is less than 50% of projected loss. Tier 3 is monitor for slow degradation or low financial impact. Tier 4 is no action when repair cost exceeds projected to alleviate no loss. A client with a 110 megawatt portfolio had a 65,000 euro drone-based EL campaign. Before ClearSpot AI, the client received a PDF and the O&M team manually reviewed images for 3 weeks. Their generic maintenance plan replaced 200 worse-looking modules at a cost of 32,000 euros. Revenue recovery remained unknown because there was no financial modeling. After ClearSpot AI, they received an action matrix in 48 hours. Tier 1 contained 22 emergency modules, avoiding 18,000 euros in failure cost. Tier 2 recovered 89,000 euros in revenue at 24,000 euros repair cost. Tier 3 listed 281 modules to monitor, and Tier 4 had none. Total repair investment was 24,000 euros and total return was 107,000 euros. ROI was 4.5 to 1. Already have EL campaign data sitting on a hard drive or planning your next campaign? If you manage over 30 megawatts, visit ClearSpot.ai and request a free EL data intelligence report. Send us your EL images and we will show you the exact euros hiding in your data and which defects to fix first. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.